Welcome to the VST channel, guys. What you see right now is Dolby Vision 4K 60 FPS shot on the Xiaomi 13, guys. I wanted you to see that as much as I actually wanted to see this footage because it's incredible. I really hope it's gonna be incredible, and I'm not sure if you can see this the way I can see this, but it's really very nice. And there are also some quite nice objects where I can test the zoom. Now, I'm shooting 4K 60 FPS, guys, so you know how it goes. I can here only go to 6x digital zoom. So later on, I'm also going to turn the 4K 30 FPS so that we can check the zoom lenses and the switch. Some close-ups. Amazing scenery, guys. And now that's the good stuff, guys. This here is Dolby Vision video. Let's try to test the zoom. By the way, it seems that the optical zoom is not exactly 3.2, guys. It's a bit less. I think it kicks in at 2.6, but who cares? Let's just test. Still, we can just do here 6. So Dolby Vision, that's the max that we can get, guys. "4K 60 again, back to the Dolby Vision, guys. And I hope that the footage that you see on the screen is nothing less but spectacular. some Dolby Vision night video, 4K 60 FPS, guys. Honestly, shooting night video with the Xiaomi 13 Ultra and with the Oppo Find X6 Pro, with everything that has the Sony IMX989 is just amazing. But now let's check also how well the Dolby Vision video is. It should be even better. Okay. Check those lights, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you like this little Dolby Vision test. And now some 4K 30 FPS Dolby Vision so that we can check the cycle of the lenses. "4K 30 FPS for your viewing pleasure, guys." Check those lights. Okay, we're now at 5.5, and I'm still walking, by the way. Just try to go up to the maximum, which is 6. Alright, and then at some point I'm gonna stop and do this whole show in Dolby once more.